Hi, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to reveal the top 10 things wealthy people never waste their money on. If you want to learn how to manage your finances like the rich, stay tuned. Let's get started. Number 1, impulsive purchase. Wealthy individuals understand the importance of mindful spending. They avoid impulsive purchases and instead focus on buying things that align with their long term goals and values. Before making a purchase, they carefully consider its value, utility, and impact on their overall financial well being. Number 2, high interest debt. Accumulating high interest debt can be a financial drain. Wealthy people prioritize staying out of debt or minimizing it as much as possible. They understand that paying excessive interest can hinder their wealth building efforts. They actively manage their finances to avoid high interest loans and credit card debt. Number 3, unused subscriptions and memberships. Wealthy individuals don't let subscriptions and memberships go to waste. They regularly review their subscriptions and eliminate those that no longer provide value or are unused. By doing so, they save money and ensure that their expenses align with their current needs and interests. Number 4, excessive dining out. While dining out can be enjoyable, wealthy people understand the importance of balance. They avoid excessive dining out and instead focus on cooking meals at home or hosting gatherings with friends and family. This allows them to save money, prioritize health conscious choices, and enjoy quality time with loved ones. Number 5, luxury brand addiction. Wealthy individuals don't succumb to the allure of luxury brands just for the sake of prestige. They prioritize value and quality over brand names. Instead of blindly following trends, they carefully evaluate products based on their functionality, durability, and cost effectiveness. Number 6, unnecessary upgrades. Wealthy people don't rush to upgrade their gadgets or possessions simply because a new version is available. They evaluate the necessity and practicality of an upgrade before making a decision. By doing so, they avoid unnecessary expenses and focus on maximizing the value they derive from their existing belongings. Number 7, excessive bank fee. Wealthy individuals are vigilant about minimizing bank fee. They carefully review their bank statements, negotiate fee when possible, and choose financial institutions that offer favorable terms. By being proactive, they save money on unnecessary charges and ensure that their hard earned money works for them. Number 8, mindless entertainment. Wealthy individuals understand the value of their leisure time, but they avoid mindless entertainment that adds little value to their lives. They choose their entertainment wisely, opting for activities that are educational, inspiring, or personally enriching. This allows them to expand their knowledge and invest their time in activities that contribute to their personal growth. Number 9, unused gym memberships. Wealthy people don't waste money on unused gym memberships. They prioritize their health and fitness, but choose alternatives that fit their lifestyle and preferences. Instead of committing to a costly gym membership that they may not use consistently, they explore other options like home workouts, outdoor activities, or joining fitness classes on a pay per session basis. By doing so, they save money while still maintaining an active and healthy lifestyle. Number 10, excessive material possessions. Finally, wealthy individuals understand that material possessions don't define their worth or happiness. They avoid the trap of accumulating excessive belongings and instead focus on experiences, relationships, and personal growth. By prioritizing what truly matters, they free themselves from the burden of unnecessary possessions and invest their resources in areas that bring them lasting fulfillment. And there you have it, the top 10 things wealthy people never waste their money on. By adopting these principles, you can start making conscious choices that align with your financial goals and lead you on a path towards your financial success.